This is Apple Archery's Pro Line Vise. Shown here is the 0950K, which includes a tool tray, stand, and mounting bracket. The 0950 can be purchased separately and mounted to your bench. The 0950 Pro Line Vise is a fully adjustable vise, has micro adjustability, with your micro adjusting knobs. You can adjust and get your string level. That can be accomplished in both axes to get your bow string completely level. At that point, when your string is completely level, you can check the level in your sight to make sure that your sight level is true. You can also rotate the bow forward and back to check third axis. And then lock back into position. The whole bow can be rotated 360 degrees to access all sides of the bow. The bow can also be rotated 90 degrees and locked into position. At this point, you can do your center serving, your string D-loop, and also serve in your peep. You can see our website for ordering information. Thank you.